Today we're going to bring in another power strip tower. This is perfect for conference rooms or anywhere that you're going to have to require extra connections. Now, this is very convenient because it also has USB, so you can actually charge different devices at the same time. So it does have 4 ports for USBs and then multiple ports for your actual power cords. And there's plenty of room in case you have those larger boxes connections. So we're going to open it up and see what you get. And on top of that, of course, 6 feet cable. It tells you right there. So there's plenty of room, so you could expand this to any conference room or any table that you want. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what you get when you get something like this. So first of all, if you guys notice off the bat, just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review. But this is actually a smaller module than another one that I currently have. It's a lot tinier, but it has a more of a bigger connections, if you guys can see that. So here, I like this part of it because everything's well arranged and well separated, because when you have larger connections, it takes a lot of bulk connections. So I'm going to actually demonstrate to you guys what I'm talking about with the types of connections we're going to plug in here. There's multiple connections, but you get 1, 2, 3, and then you get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 connections overall on the whole system itself, including the actual USBs that we have up here. So we're going to plug this in, and I like that they give you the actual Velcro right here. So in case you want to, 6 feet is too long for you, you can even shorten it out. So I like that they include the Velcro with this. So all right, we just plugged it in right now, and when we hit the power button, it turns on blue. I'm trying to cover it because of the lighting itself, but it gives you a little indication that it's blue. There's 2 lights. There's a ground light and there's actually protection, the surge protector, right? So it's also grounded too, which is perfect for those that are having power issues or anything happens. And like I said, it has a USBs right in front of it. And we're going to see how much you can charge out of the USBs too. And then you have, like I said, multiple connections. On the back of it, right behind it, there's a reset button. So if you have one of those surge that happens every night when there's lightning or something happens in your neighborhood, you can always reset this if they don't turn on, right? So that's another plus thing. So let's go ahead and plug a couple things in here and see how well they work together, right? So let's go ahead and do that. All right, here we're gonna plug in actually our meter reader in here, and if you guys can see how much I'm gonna be able to charge. Like I said, it's a 5 volts, and it won't go higher than 5 volts or any on the actual 4-prong connections of the 4-port connection USBs that you have. So right now it's giving you 5.6, which is 5 volts, right? So that's pretty much maximum you can do that. Other than that, there's nothing else that you can do. You could even read a little bit more of it, but that's the maximum you can go, from 2 to 5, and that's pretty much it. So it's the reader's actually giving us the indication how much power it's going to give out. So you don't have a fast charge, but you have a charging. So let's go ahead and continue and set up the whole system here. All right, here you have the whole unit itself charging 2 phones, and this is what I'm talking about. It has plenty of space for these actual square ones, and if you can see, I have the actual square one here, and then I have another one here that has plenty of space and room. And then these are individual modules that you could plug in too. So you have plenty of room here. So if you have one of these base and you can plug it sideways, you can even fit those sideways too, if you guys can see that. Now, unfortunately, when you're sideways on these 2, you can't fit these 2 on sideways on that part of it. And then I have 2 USBs, type A's charging up on the top, charging both of the phones. Plenty of room for it, which you guys need. It's not that bad. I mean, the structure itself is really small. It won't take a lot of space. They have different colors, of course, but it's very, very unique and very small, easy to set up, and easy to take with you anywhere pretty much. If you're going to go on the road with it, it's perfect. And of course, it has an extension that it's up to 6.5 feet, so very convenient. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.